80% of the garbage in the sea is plastic, due to its slow decomposition process. Plastic pollution affects almost all living organisms, but why to stop using plastic? Australian scientists Denise Herdusty and Chris Wilcox estimate, based on garbage collected on coastal strips in the United States during 5 years cleanups, that there are about 5 million plastic straws on the U.S. shores. For 8 billion plastic straws are found on coasts around the world. But those huge numbers suddenly look small when you see all the plastic trash floating in the oceans. University of Georgia environmental engineering professor Gina Jambeck estimates that about 9 million tons end up in the oceans and coasts each year. 2010, according to her 2015 study, plastic affects the fauna of the oceans, waste that becomes entangled in the limbs of animals and in many cases amputates them or prevents them from breathing on the surface and eventually dies. Translucent and small macro and microplastics due to the fragmentations are confused for food by many groups of species. When ingest them, block the digestive tracts and the animals end up dying of starvation. Plastic waste pollution is an issue that goes beyond affecting the whole of our lands and oceans. It has an impact on the health and rights of communities every day. Since last year, the use of plastics has risen steadily, shockingly, not only billions of masks, but also gloves, medical waste, and takeaway food packaging. Its increase has been such the recycling system have collapsed in some countries. If no action is taken, more than 70% of the plastic will end up dumped in oceans and landfills, and up to 12% will be burned, causing pollution and disease in the most vulnerable areas of the planet. Well, after having briefly explained how plastic affects living organisms and its impact on the environment, conclude that by avoiding the use of plastic and opting for ecological alternatives, we are contributing to conserve our planet. When plastic particles such as microplastics are exposed to sunlight, they continue to emit greenhouse gases, and they never stop. That is one of the main problems of the plastic. The risks to fetuses associated with plastic and various toxic additives, dioxins associated with the burning of plastic waste are extremely cancerogenic and have a negative impact on women. While we analyze the effects of plastic for living organisms, on the other hand, I will also explain a summary about the handling of plastic. It is important to understand that by handling plastic well, we can avoid impacting the environment so much. For example, using replaceable and eco-friendly alternatives such as the use of bamboo or biodegradable raw material, which can fulfill the same function as objects made of plastic. Plastic can be removed or reduced to the maximum in case of not being able to replace it. The best strategy to reduce its impact is to apply the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. Here are some of them. Choosing products made with natural fibers from cellulose is a sustainable alternative. They are recyclable and biodegradable. It serves to the manufacture of shopping bags, packaging film, even be replaced polyester and synthetic fibers. Bamboo. It is sturdy and can be washed without problem. Currently, there are bamboo-based products such as toothpicks, single-use cutlery, and earbuds. Beeswax wrappers can be used to cover a bowl or salad bowl. they are also reusable. 100% compostable coffee capsules are compatible with almost all brands. Even the container can be thrown into the bucket of organic waste. Replace plastic with a more durable material. For example, choose reusable stainless steel straws. You will find a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic straws. Every day we can do small actions that can represent a big change in the health of our planet. There is even a free ecological browser like Ecosia, what is contributing to the health of the planet for each search made in this platform. All of us can make a change belonging to diverse environmental organizations or use environmental products.